Sana, you haven't seen nothing until you have separated from your soon-to-be ex-container called a husband, and they tell you you haven't seen nothing yet. Uvele ubone manje ukuthi ya Anaconda 1, ETV 8 p.m. Bruce Lee, Rambo, Rocky, Bashimane. Amukela kumqobo yami bomuntu abakadade bomuntu abakagogo bomuntu abaka-auntie bomuntu abaka-sissy. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. Very cold in Soweto. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. We have curated a program for anyone who wants to do better at their content. I have classes and I can only take 4 students a month because I want to dedicate my time and effort and not overstretch myself. Okay, thank you for everyone who has shown interest thus far. The classes will involve one-on-one virtual classes, group sessions. My man, I'll even give you a free channel promotion. I will even give you activities to do so that I help you maintain your consistency. Okay, so if you are interested, hit me up in the yeah. Sana promise is seeing the worst flames. Okay, like we always say, as divorced women, you do not divorce the person you walked down the aisle with. You divorce enye inkunzi yaka Hulk. Hey, Predator 1, 2, and 3. Guys, I cannot explain to you how draining, how hard, no matter how amicable the situation is, how hard divorce is. I do not want you guys to be my colleagues in divorce because that thing is not child's play. Yeah, what? Before we break everything down, siphethe umfana waseLimpopo. If you are looking for amazing, good piano music, Mamela Volume 1 and Volume 2. Okay, he's now currently released Volume 2 and it's got absolute bangers. Do your thing, download, stream the music, Sana. You will not regret. Okay, very talented. Okay, music director, yet out cassette, so many projects that he has worked on. So can you imagine the level of amazingness the music is? So don't skip on it. Give it a chance. Listen, volume 1 and volume 2. I started with volume 2 and then I went back to volume 1. So now we'll take your time and listen to the music. We have been seeing Promise No Lawrence go through it online for years, guys. I'm talking about the infidelities, the scandals, Promise throwing women and baby mamas under the bus, saying she was such a staunch believer in marriage. You know, there was a video that went around where she was like, if Mukoni akang latla, ke ka raga raga, because that's how much Promise loved her marriage and loved being married. Okay, so to go from that to separating to watching him move on with his life online to the point of him saying that leave me alone, I do not want to be a part of this, I wish I could divorce you sooner so that I can move on with my life, to now your life being under the danger. It is very scary. So there is currently a video of Promise Makunyana circulating, and in this video she states that if anything happens to her, it will not be of her own doing. Like she will never have thought of removing herself from earth, and it will never be accidental that she is in a situation that will get her removed from earth. She's like, I'm always in safe spaces and I always like keep my circle small. So if I get removed from earth, just know that it is not of my own doing and it's not of natural causes. Okay. She has been getting threats allegedly, and she even goes as far as saying, Hore, this person, we all know that she's talking about her ex-husband, right? Her soon to be ex-husband, right? Because there was a part in the video where she showed a message saying, Hore, you don't know what the hell I'm paraphrasing, like, but something like ngizokubonisa, you know. So promise, let's actually like watch the video and then come back and talk.
Hi everyone, my name is Promise Makunyane. This video is real. It's not edited, it's not AI, it's not manipulated. This is Promise Makunyane and I am personally making this video. If you are seeing this video, kindly do me a favor and share it as wide and far as you can. I do not have any edges, any feelings or any thoughts of unaliving myself. I don't have any thought of taking my life away. And I'm not using the word K or sui so that this video cannot be taken down by all the social media platforms. I don't go to unsafe places. I don't go with unsafe people. I have a very close community. If one day you get to learn that I've taken away my life or I've unalived myself, please do not think it is what it is. I am making a video to say, if ever you hear such a thing, please know that it is not what they would say it is. However innocent it will look, please understand that it is orchestrated. And I repeat, however real it might look, however real it might look, please understand that it is not real. I will never take away my life. I will never put my life in danger. I will never put myself in a situation where it will compromise me. So should you hear any those kinds of news, please know that it is not, and I repeat, it is not natural or it is not innocent. There is a whole orchestration behind it. Secondly, I'm very much well aware of the smear campaign that is going around my name and the reputational damage that is going around my name. Right now, it has taken a shift from my marriage to my personal life or personal attacks. And this is because it must not look like it is about my marriage. It must look real, that I am this, I am that. Please note, this is the message that I have received when I try to address all these things, because the person that is at the back of this is funding these things, is orchestrating people to make content about me, to spew my name, to go on podcast, to have conversations about me, to damage my reputation. This is the response that I got when I tried to address the malicious intent at the back of all this thing that is happening on the internet. Right now, where the direction of this thing is going, it's about me as a person, and now it's moving away from my marriage. But I am here to say this is an orchestration. The person at the back of this is making it look like it is moving away from my marriage. It's not about my marriage, because they have tried a lot of things and I did not fold. So thank you guys so much. Please take this announcement very seriously. Please share my video. I do not intend to take out my life. I do not have those edges. I'm enjoying my life. I'm enjoying being a mom, and I'm living my life the best way that I can. I'm rebuilding, I'm starting afresh, and I don't have a problem with it. You know, I've downgraded. I don't live in the most favorable, like I would dream of living, but I'm okay with rebuilding. So I am enjoying life, and I will never take away my life. Secondly, I will never put my life in danger on purpose. Thirdly, please note, every smear, this is a whole smear campaign that is orchestrated now so that it can look like it's no longer about my marriage, but it's about just people and. There is a whole budget at the back of this. There is a whole plan at the back of this. It's a whole orchestration. But most importantly, please share my video. Thank you.
Promise, I need you to think about number one, which is you. Ne? Like, let it go. Let the social media image go. It's done now. Like, it's done. We are all aware that you are headed for divorce courts. Kubuhlungu, kubuhlungu. It's very painful, but let it be. Grant yourself peace. Grant yourself peace that surpasses all thinking, you know? Because when you are divorcing, guys, trust me, I know. When you are divorcing, it's not from a place of love. It's not from a place of you didn't try. You gave it your all, and now you are at the pits of hell. And every time you think it's going to get better, it doesn't. Hamba, sesemanje. Leave while you still can. With whatever you have left, leave while you still can. Because your ex, our exes will take it to hell. They don't mind what they have to do to cause you severe pain. You understand? Because it's no longer about love. So inflicting maximum pain is the only thing on the cards. Mina, I'm just saying that, like, all bets are off, and now your safety is over. Especially saying what you are saying, Khore, you feel like your life is under the danger, and you are a mom and you've got beautiful children. That person is no longer who was your husband. No. So ukhuluma manje ne-street fighter. Yabona manje? Ukhuluma nomgulukudu owenkunzi, uKK wakumbango. Sisi, ngeke. Sisi, phuma kuye. Sissy, there's no need to fight anymore. Like for your peace, guys. Now understand. Like for the sake of your peace, more than anything, for the sake of your life. You know, we understand that you now have your own life and you've built separately from your ex Lawrence. He has showed us that he wants to be done with the marriage and he wants to move on. So more than anything, we are now more concerned about your safety, right? So now, like Sissy, that man is not your husband. No husband will want to ever put anyone's life in danger. So for the sake that you feel like your life is under the risk, let it let it be, guys. As Lime Zetsheni, agriculture to the rock. Kunzima, guys, yo, divorce. I don't wish divorce on anyone. Please, I don't. Because it's like you are mourning and then you have to fight, and then that person is still alive and they keep wanting to see you bleed. It's tiring. It's draining. You go broke. I don't wish divorce on anyone. As light as I make it be on my channel called, oh, you're my colleague in divorce. I don't want anyone to divorce. I don't want that. Because that is one of the hardest journeys you can ever embark on. Especially when there's children involved and there still has to be some sort of relationship in future, when you know that this person hates you. Oh, yo,